Menteri Rang Ba Kajela Konrad Ke Sangma ula ong ba kajing wanra jang ka sorkar pedeng ya ka Women Reservation Bill kan penkubor shu iki Kynthei ha Kajela bat hakarihi barokwe. Kum ketika bill Haduh lai Persen ki Nongmih kin yo ban mi Khmat haki parliament kumju ha assembly jang ki jela badan hakari.
It's already been tabled in the parliament today, and of course, as a matrilineal state and as an individual who believes in women empowerment, I am very happy about the bill as an individual, and I welcome the bill. And I'm sure that this will lead to a very positive, strengthening and representation of women in the parliament and in the assemblies. And of course, as a state also, it's something that I'm sure that the state as a whole will be also acceptable, because it's one of the few states in the country that believes in socially empowering women by means of having a matrilineal. It's a part of our culture. And now as a party, of course, we will take an official stand on it. We'll be calling a meeting. And once we do that, officially we will take a resolution and pass, and we'll take a call on that. But as I said, as a president of the party and as an individual, it's something that we welcome.
Sir, is there any takers of this? Because we have seen that women in Meghalaya shun politics. So is there any takers?
See, that is the reason why the Honorable Prime Minister has decided to move on this. And this is something that has been discussed in the past, because of the fact that there are no takers. So now reservation being there, so there would now be a reason for women to come forward and say, well, because others cannot contest, men cannot contest. So women have to contest. And that's the whole purpose of reservation.
Sir, recently Dr. Mukul